a little bit of football with that rock right there. So that's one goal. That's another goal. And we're gonna try to compete against each other. And just a little bit of heads up, we're in this beautiful park. We're just kind of checking it out. Haksa, the ocean is right there. We got a beautiful, beautiful view. Hopefully nobody kicks the soccer ball so far down it goes into the beach or the water, but I don't think it will. So let's get started. Yeah. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so we'll go to our places.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go!
She got that one, 1 to 1.
1 to 1. Okay, this is gonna be the next round. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Yay!
Get away. I definitely
1 to 2.
I definitely see your strategy.
3, 2, 1, go!
Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! 2 to 2.
2 to 2.
I got the downhill one, so that was good.
2 to 2.
Now she has the advantage of the downhill one. The trash can block it.
Trash can, thank you. No, thank you.
Get a goalie, not fair.
No.
The downhill. Oh, the downhill saved me. That wasn't downhill. That was an uphill one. I wouldn't have got that.
Why don't you start? 3, 2, 1, go! Next round.
Switch or stay?
Stay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh. That's a winner. My strategy is that she gets it because she wins, so I get to take a rest.
5, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, go!
We both have the competitive spirit, so.
63. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. 4 to 7.
4 to 7.
3, 2, 1, go. 4 to 7. 4 to 7.
Downhill advantage.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, still filming.
8. 3, 2, 1, go. 5. 5 to 9.
Switch.
Yes. 3, 2, 1, go. Advantage.
It's fun though.
5 to 10. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, you got downhill advantage.
Yeah, I do.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go. 6 to 10. 3, 2, 1, go. 7 to 10. That's our advantage. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, I went over my foot.
8 to 10.
What is it? 8 to 10?
8 to 10. 8 to 10.
You got downhill advantage. Ready?
3,
2.
1, go. Yes, I stopped it.
Oh, went over my foot.
Yes! 9 to 10. I have downhill advantage. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh! Off the wall, that's a good move. And she did an off the wall one, which went for the win. Tiebreaker. This is our last one for the video. Dun dun dun.
3, 2, 1, go! Yes! I won!
She's the winner. I hope that was caught on camera.
Guys, I won!
What do you have to say as the winner? What's your
Thank you very
message to the
much.
young kids out there?
Don't ever give up on your dreams. Don't ever give up.
There you go. Don't ever give up on your dreams. Dun dun dun. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.